We're live, and this is Math 40, section 3.5, page 3, and we're going to start off with a painfully dated problem. A new PlayStation 3 costs $310.50, and membership in an online video game multiplayer network costs $18.49 per month. So we're into a new kind of problem where we're going to have two different kinds of costs or two different values. The single payment, $310.50, that payment you only make once. You buy the machine and you're done. And then when I say per month, this means this is a recurring cost. This is something that happens over and over again. Those of you who've taken some economics, you know that this is the fixed cost and this is the variable cost. If you haven't taken economics, now you know this is the fixed cost, this is the variable cost. So we're going to set up an equation using this using slope-intercept. So write a linear equation that gives the cost for someone to buy the machine and belong to the online network for M months. Notice that in this problem, we're being told to use M and not X. So I'm going, and it doesn't tell me what to do for Y. So I'm just going to go ahead and use Y. You could use anything. If it doesn't tell you what to set it as, you could set anything you want. So I'm going to say Y is going to stand for cost. You could just as easily say C. So I am definitely going to have to spend $310.50, but that only gets spent once. So I'm going to put this at the end, $310.50. I'm just going to pay that once. Now, if I just put in $18.49 here, then I'm only spending it once. And in fact, I want to spend, well, I don't want to, but I want to keep subscribing. So this is going to be per month. So I have to take this and multiply it times the number of months. And there you go. This is in slope-intercept form. So the interesting thing about this is if you have a fixed cost, fixed, by the way, if we haven't discussed it in class before, the word fixed means unchanging. It doesn't mean like broken and then fixed. Fixed means it's like affixed, it's stuck in one place. So the fixed cost becomes the intercept. And the changing or variable cost, the one that says per month or per whatever, that's going to be our slope. So that's kind of cool. So there we go. We got the equation. Use your answer in part A to find the cost to buy the machine and belong to the network for 3 years. Notice sneaky, mean, tricksy. Math is so tricksy. 3 is the number of years. But notice that M was in, oops, I went too far. M is in months. Oh, sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Look, M is in months. So when I come down here, and math tends to be sneaky this way, they love making it sneaky, we need to convert from 3 years to 36 months. 3 times 12 months in a year is 36. Okay, so I've got Y equals 1849 times 36, and then I add in the 310.50, and I have mislaid my handy dandy calculator on clear. 1849 times 36 equals, I believe it's 665.64. I hope so, because I'm making a video and there's no way to erase it in the video. I guess I could erase over, I could edit. These things are for, YouTube geniuses, not for me. So $665.64. And then we add 310.50. And I get a grand total of $976.14. And so the socialist in me would ask you, interesting. So are the PlayStation folks making more money from selling the machines or for selling the subscriptions? Anyway, that brings us to the end of 3.5. I know, I'm so excited too. So, woohoo! I will get started on 3.6 as soon as possible. While you're waiting for that, have fun with the homework and, math on. Woohoo!